Okay, so we know when we make inferences, we use real clues from the text. We figure out what we know about those clues and about what we read, our personal experiences and just our general knowledge. We do not make random guesses. An inference is an educated guess. That means it's based on something, and you can always go back to your clues and prove it, okay? There may be more than one right answer, because when you're inferencing, you are just making an assumption. You're gathering information. So we don't know which answer it is. But you can always go back to your clues and to what you know to show how you got your answer. Okay, some things you might want to think about when we look at passages is what character traits does this person exhibit? Where is this person? When did this event occur? How did it occur? Or how does this person feel? Who is this paragraph about? Has anyone ever solved a riddle?
Yes.
Well, then you're making an inference. A riddle is a series of clues. And you take those clues and you try to figure it out. Okay, because the riddle doesn't tell you the answer. You have to guess it. That's making an inference. So let's take a look at our next passage. Here we go. All right. All right. Emma's chance to prove that she could hit the ball just as hard as her twin brother was here. She made eye contact with the pitcher and got into position. The pitch came. Strike one, yelled the umpire. With sweaty palms, she clutched the bat even harder. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this, she whispered. As the second pitch came hurling toward her, she swung as hard as she could. Bam, there it went, sailing down the first baseline and far, far into the field. Now, your challenge. Use what you know about life combined with the clues in the text to make an inference. What game is Emma playing and what happened? So we're going to write those questions in our inference puzzle piece. What game is she playing? And what happened? So let's look for clues first. So Emma's trying to hit the ball as hard as her twin brother. That's our first clue. She wants to hit the ball. What is she going to hit the ball with?
A bat.
The bat. It says with sweaty palms, she clutched the bat even harder. So she hit the ball with the bat. What else do we know? What else?
That she,
Who else is in the story?
her brother,
Pitcher.
Anna? A pitcher and what? Good. Pitcher and umpire. What else? Where'd the ball go when she hit it?
out in the part of the field.
Down the first base.
Down the first baseline and far into the field. So she hit the ball. Past first base. Okay, these are our clues from the text. What do we know about all this? What do we know about hitting a ball with a bat? What do we call that?
Baseball or softball.
Baseball and softball both involve players hitting the ball with a bat. Okay. Did we solve our first question?
Yeah.
What was it? Our first question is, what game is Emma playing?
Softball or baseball.
Softball or baseball? Good. Then we also know that the pitcher and the umpire, both part of baseball. Or softball. Now, what's the next question we have? What happened? What did she want to do? She wanted to hit the ball as hard as her brother could, and then what did she actually do? She hit it past first base, so she hit it far, far away. So we know that she wanted to show up her brother. And she did. By hitting the ball far, far away. So, who can tell me what happened based on what we've got here? What happened? What did she do? She was able to, Emma was able to hit the ball as hard as or harder than her twin brother.
Have you seen the yellow hat?
Go check it out. Y'all see how we got to this? This is an inference right here. Emma hit the ball as hard as her brother. Do we know for sure that she did?
No.
Do we know how far brother hit the ball?
No.
So do we know that she actually did hit it as hard as brother? We
No.
don't, but it's a safe guess. She hit it way outfield. Another guess that would still be right is Emma tried to hit the ball as far as her brother, and she hit it out to right field. Okay, that's another inference. That would be right too, because we don't know which one's right. We don't know if she did it or if she didn't. We just know that she was playing softball. She hit the ball. Okay? This week you're going to have a packet. Every day we're going to do one of these together, and you're going to do one of them for homework. It is due on Friday. It has to be done. It has to be right. We're going to review it, so make sure you make corrections. Also in your centers this week, you have another set of these. You don't have to draw puzzle pieces for centers. Just do a hot dog trifold and put your answers in columns and get through the task cards. You'll go over that together and you'll check your answers. Any questions? Yes.
So you're going to give us a sheet like this and do it for homework?
I'm going to give you a packet tomorrow. We'll do one more set tomorrow together, and then I'll give you a packet for homework. The whole packet is due on Friday. Okay? Thank you.